the National Railway Museum at York. Visited this first time when I worked for the railway in about 1987. Last time we was here was with the boys, believe it or not, I believe, on a weekend in York. It changes every time you come, so, and it's free to get in. Below me is Mallard, the fastest steam locomotive in the world. And what's changed? So they got a Eurostar there from the Channel Tunnel. There's the Royal train in the middle, and D200, which I've seen in Inverness, Liverpool Street, and here, and probably some other places. But I don't know how long this has been open. I assume since Monday, but it's not a lot of people here. So a HST running out of York Station just now, which is confusing me a little bit. I know I'm out of the touch, but I thought they stopped running the other day. Maybe it was the last scheduled and it was an unscheduled service. Anyway, it's quite cool to see.